Hey everyone, welcome back to Bionica FX, your go-to channel for the latest in the world of finance and markets. Today we're diving into Hyundai's latest earnings report and what it means for the automotive world. So buckle up and let's dive into the details. Hyundai is cruising to new heights. The South Korean automotive giant has just posted record profits for the second quarter of 2024. We're talking a net profit of 4 trillion won, which translates to about $2.9 billion. That's a 23% jump from last year, and it easily surpassed analysts' expectations. This stellar performance comes despite a challenging environment for the auto industry, with some of its competitors like Ford, Nissan, and even Tesla facing slowdowns. Hyundai is speeding ahead thanks to strong sales of high-margin SUVs and hybrids in the US. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Hyundai's pushing hard into hybrid vehicles. Why? Because demand for pure EVs is cooling off globally, and there's uncertainty about US electric vehicle policies. With the political climate shifting, especially with Republican candidate Donald Trump criticizing current EV policies, Hyundai is preparing for possible changes. But even if Trump wins, Hyundai doesn't expect major rollbacks on clean energy policies. They're planning to expand their hybrid lineup to stay ahead of the curve. Segment 3. Domestic struggles and US success. Host. But it's not all smooth sailing. Hyundai's domestic sales in South Korea dropped by 10% in the second quarter. That's on top of a 16% decline the previous quarter. Inflation and economic woes are hitting hard. Host. However, Hyundai's US sales are on the rise. Their SUV sales are booming, making up about 80% of their total sales in the US, and hybrid sales surged by 42% compared to last year. Segment 4. Exchange rate boost. Host. And there's one more thing boosting Hyundai's profits: the exchange rate. The South Korean won fell 4.3% against the dollar, which means Hyundai's overseas sales brought in more profit when converted back to won. Host. But despite these positive results, Hyundai's stock closed down 2.7% before the earnings announcement. Why? Investors are wary of the uncertain road ahead with inflation and high interest rates. Outro. Host. So, what's the takeaway? Hyundai is thriving with record profits and strategic expansions, but it's navigating through a stormy economic climate. We'll be keeping an eye on how their hybrid push and market strategies unfold. Host. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest market trends. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. How do you think Hyundai will fare in this evolving landscape? See you next time on Bionica FX.